Some hosts and server configurations are better targets for Joomla installations than others. In this video, we will talk about some common issues you may run into while installing Joomla and how to avoid them. For best results, use Apache as your web server. Joomla is most frequently tested against Apache, and it does a better job of generating search engine-friendly links. We'll be covering search engine-friendly links in another video. Another thing you may run into during the installation of Joomla is that it may give you a message saying that it can't write to configuration.php. And when this happens, just complete the installation, and on the last screen, it will give you configuration.php as text, and then you copy that text into a plain text file, save that file as configuration.php, and then you upload it to your web server. I'm using MAMP and WAMP as example servers in this course. These servers are only accessible on your computer, and they're not available to other users on the internet. When you're ready to install Joomla on a publicly accessible web server, you'll need to make sure that your server can support it. The first thing you'll want to do is contact your server administrator to see if their server will support Joomla. If it does, you still may need some help. And for that, you can go to the Joomla forum. Go to forum.joomla.org, and this page will load. Right here, under Joomla User Support, there's a Joomla 1.5 board and a special board for installation. Click this board, and you can find information about installing Joomla on a web host. Many other people have run into common issues with installing Joomla on a web host, and they have discussions going on here about common things you'll run into and some things you can check before you need to get more assistance. Installing Joomla on a publicly accessible web server will probably be the most difficult part of your Joomla experience, but it is not insurmountable. Due to the variances between different hosts, I won't be showing you this process. Contact your host and search the Joomla forum for assistance when setting up a publicly accessible installation of Joomla.